Hi, I'm Aditya and this is the Godrej EcoStar hot beverage vending machine. To unbox the machine, cut these two straps. Now lift the outer carton of the machine. We shall now lift the machine and place it on the table. As we see from the front side, the different parts of the machine are the water bottle adapter, the front sticker, the bezel, the keypad, the two-line display, the machine lock. These are the two side stickers present on the left and the right side panel. On the rear side, we can see the axial fan, the boiler drain outlet, the specification sticker that contains the machine model number and serial number, the power cord and the power switch. The key for the machine is kept inside the water bottle adapter on top of the machine. Unlock the machine. The accessories present inside the machine are the drip tray and the drip tray cover, the PVC pipe, the water storage tank, the two product canisters, the two spouts, mixing funnel, funnel locks, the dispensing tubes and the overflow pipe. This poly bag here contains the user manual and the warranty card. This is a PCB cover. Inside the drip tray, the plug for drain tray is present. Connect the PVC tube to this outlet of the drip tray. This is a 20-liter water bottle that needs to be inverted on top of the machine into the water bottle adapter. Connect the 3-pin plug of the power cord to the 16 ampere wall socket and switch the machine on. Switch on the machine by pressing the power switch. The red light of the switch will glow. When the machine is first switched on, water will enter into the boiler and the machine will display refilling. After water fills into the boiler, the heating will start and the machine will display less hot. The rise in the temperature can be seen by pressing the hot water key in the program mode. Once the temperature is achieved, machine will start the automatic flushing, that is rinsing for both the mixing bowls. Now the machine will come in ready mode and will display welcome. The front keypad of the machine has 5 buttons, which are button 1 for tea, button 2 for coffee, button 3 for half tea, button 4 for half coffee and button 5 for hot water. Long pressing the hot water key enters the program mode. Now flush mode will get displayed on the display. We can scroll through the program menu by pressing the S5 key, which is the hot water key. The different options present in the program mode are the flush mode, the count mode, the temperature mode, the machine settings. The flush mode is used for flushing the mixer of a particular flavor. This can be done by pressing the particular key for which we need to flush. The count mode is used to display the number of cups dispensed. Here it displays the number of cups for individual flavors. In the temperature mode, the machine will display the set temperature, the current boiler temperature, the water level and also the status of the heater. The machine settings is used to set the different beverage program parameters and other machine settings. We can enter the machine settings by pressing the S1 key. Press the S5 button as the default password for machine setting. The different parameters in the machine setting are DR1 water, which is the water time for channel 1 in second, DR1 powder, which is the premix time for channel 1 in second. Similarly, drink 2 water, which is the water time for channel 2, DR2 powder, which is the premix time for channel 2, the hot water time, which is the water time for hot water in seconds. Set temperature is used to set the machine boiler temperature. The coin mechanism is used to enable or disable the coin mech pay system, the auto clean feature that is used to set the automatic flushing for the machine, the half cup enable or disable option, and the change password option to change the default password. The values can be changed by using the S2 and the S3 button. S1 button is used to go to the next program menu and S4 button is used to exit program mode. We shall now fill the canisters with the Godrej Classic Coffee Premix. After filling the canister, close it with the canister lid. Similarly, we can fill the tea premix into the canister. While placing the canister, please note that this projection here should get locked to this hole on the canister plate. We shall now place both the canister into the machine. We shall now see how the product gets dispensed in the machine. When the flavor key is pressed, the machine shows the name of the particular flavor which is being dispensed. When the dispensing is done, the premix from the canister falls into the mixing bowl. The hot water from the boiler mixes with the premix and through the dispensing tube is dispensed into the cup. For the purpose of servicing, remove the rear cover by opening this screw and loosening these 4 screws. The different parts on the inside are the SMPS, the float sensor, the 2 gearboxes, the heater relay, the beverage solenoids, the boiler tank and the thermostat. Fit this plastic auger inside the canister. Now fit the auger driver. Please make sure that this arrow position on the auger holder is in the center and it matches with the spout lock. The spout should match to this arrow. Before proceeding for cleaning, please make sure that the machine is switched off. To drain the boiler water, pull out this drain tube, press the tube this way and pull out the pincher. Take the necessary precaution to prevent from any burns. Before proceeding for cleaning, please make sure that the machine is switched off. To begin with the cleaning of the machine, first invert these spouts of the canister. Now remove the canisters. Remove the steam traps. Unlock the mixing bowls and pull it towards yourself. Disconnect the dispensing tubes. Rotate the vapor chamber with the blender in anti-clockwise direction and pull it towards yourself. We shall now remove the fume suction plate by removing these 2 screws. All the machine sheet metal parts with a damp cotton cloth.